Now, when we talked last week, though, you talked about some other trait that you had, which I found really interesting. It's this idea called taste, and I've just got a couple of images here. Now, apparently, I think this is an example of not particularly good taste in code, and this one is better taste, which, as one can immediately see. What is the difference between these two?
So this is how many here are actually have coded, right?
Oh my goodness!
Okay. So I guarantee you, everybody who raised their hand, they have done what's called a singly linked list. And it's taught this, the first not very good taste approach is basically how it's taught to be done when you start out coding. And you don't have to understand the code. The most interesting part to me is the last if statement. Because what happens in a singly linked list, this is trying to remove an existing entry from a list, and there's a difference between if it's the first entry or whether it's an entry in the middle. Because if it's the first entry, you have to change the pointer to the first entry. If it's in the middle, you have to change the pointer of a previous entry. So there are two completely different cases.